In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to separate member roles in Discord. If you want members with a specific role to appear in their own section on your Discord server, it's very easy to set up. This can make your server look much more organized and help members quickly identify moderators, administrators, or other important groups. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process. To begin, open Discord on your computer and navigate to the server where you want to separate member roles. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to manage roles, otherwise you won't be able to make these changes. Once you're in the server, right-click on the server's name to open the context menu. From the list of available options, select Roles. This will take you to the role management page where you can create new roles or edit existing ones. If you already have a role that you want to separate in the member list, simply select that role. If you need to create a new one, choose the option to create a new role. Give the role a name that clearly identifies its purpose. You can also assign a color to the role. Choosing a unique color helps members easily recognize users who have that role throughout the server. After you've finished naming the role and selecting a color, look through the available role settings. Find the option that allows members with this role to be displayed separately from online members. Turn this setting on. This is the key step that tells Discord to place users with that role into their own dedicated section in the member list. Once you've enabled the setting, save your changes if necessary. The role is now ready to be assigned to members. Next, assign the role to the members you want to separate. After the role has been added, Discord will automatically place those members into their own role category in the server's member list, making them easier to find and helping your server appear more organized. If the members don't appear in a separate section immediately, give Discord a few moments to refresh. You should also verify that the setting to display the role separately is still enabled and that the members have been assigned the correct role. That's all there is to it. With just a few simple changes, you can keep your Discord server cleaner, more organized, and much easier for everyone to navigate. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.